Pollution is choking our planet. From smog-filled cities to plastic-filled oceans, the effects are undeniable. But together, we can make a difference.
जहाँ जब हम लोग अपने कॉलेज के टाइम की याद करते हैं, तो उस समय पॉल्यूशन होता ही नहीं था और हमें पता ही नहीं था कि पॉल्यूशन क्या होता है। लेकिन जहाँ तक मैं समझता हूँ, शायद हमारे टाइम पे रामलीला के जब देखने जाते थे, तो हमें स्वेटर पहनने पड़ते थे, तो क्योंकि सर्दियाँ स्टार्ट हो चुकी होती थी। लेकिन आज वही सर्दियाँ हमें जनवरी में मिलती हैं। शायद ये भी एक कारण हो सकता है।
We all see the air, right? But now let's zoom in to see what's actually in it.
AQI or Air Quality Index measures how clean or how polluted the air is. It ranges from green for good air to maroon for hazardous air. High AQI can cause breathing problems, heart issues, and even reduce life expectancy. But by acting now, we can bring those levels down. Pollution affects every corner of our world, causing health problems, killing marine life, and accelerating climate change. Small steps can lead to big changes. Here's how we can fight pollution together. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Shield yourself from polluted air while we work towards solutions. Here's a DIY tip. Create your own air purifying solutions. Learn how to on Sparsh hacks.
You know, it's never too late to make a change. We just need to care about the benefit of ourselves and the benefit of our planet. Grow, teach, and tell others about the problems of air pollution and how we need to plant trees to reduce it. So, join us in this endeavor to reduce air pollution and improve the AQI of our surrounding areas. Plant a tree today.